Oh, Keneisha says she don't have no money. She still at shop and she need no shop this year because she break. I'm not really shop. It's not a shop. It's like necessities. It's not. I'm not shop. This is so cute. Like what? Guys, look at this setup. It's like a restaurant. Like this is so nice.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Later.
Guys, many hours later, you actually saw where we were heading to New Haven. It was a whole family. We had an appointment, so we all went there. Literally, we just come back maybe I want to say maybe like half an hour ago. My face white. Guys, tell me why my computer crashed. Last night I came in and I was extremely tired, and every time I say I'm gonna get up and go upload because the video is already done and rendered and everything and just ready to be uploaded on YouTube. And last night I said I'm gonna lie down a little bit first and I'm gonna get up and upload it, and I should do that by around 8 o'clock. It ended up reach 8, 9, 10, 11, so it never happened. So because I know I was gonna be spending all day where we were going today, I said I'm going to take my stuff and upload it around night 11, 12 o'clock. Now, I went down to the place, did what we needed to do. While I was there waiting, turned on computer. It looked like it was about to load up. I just did it forever. Try and I restart to do whatever we need to do. We start go find Google, started some research, start try everything. It just stopped work. So I can't do anything. So my video stuck on what I was supposed to do. And this is the newer laptop that I got the other day. So this means if I can't get this, I have to go redo the video. Re-edit everything. I'm not crying. It's just always something. Always something. Anyway, today's Monday is another weekly vlog. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and share the video and comment on the comment section. If you're new over here, my name is Keneisha. Welcome. Over here we do a lot of cleaning vlogs. We do a lot of talking of the good things. Then we do a lot of different things. Like right now, my mind is evil. Just go ahead and subscribe, please, and watch up all the other videos so we can get to know exactly what I do. Okay, we're so close this down. I guess this thing that I have actually makes sense. So look on my computer case. Nothing worth having comes easy. And I think that's why I'm keeping a fight with YouTube, trying to upload and stuff, because it's always something with these computers or something with YouTube, or is that a copyright? It's just always something when I need to upload. It's just always something. So I guess this actually speaks volume. And as Jamaican would say, in our words, if you want good, you know it's a fair run. I guess we know I run a whole heap right now. So anyhow, I was gonna do this tomorrow. I'm gonna know. I might do this right now. I have some packages here. I still not have no money. It's not like no gravity. Guys, see it? I'm gonna do my nails tomorrow. I knew it was gonna break. I knew it was gonna break. So my nails up when nail appointment is tomorrow, and the kids are off tomorrow as well. But still I go. So don't pack up the whole of the putting them, and we're gonna go to the appointments. Anywho, we have these things that we wanna unbox. It's actually some stuff for, because you know spring is coming. Spring is just right around the corner, and obviously you know when it's winter up here, all the flowers die and stuff. So I just bought a couple more stuff because I did use a couple things out of the packages I had for the porch. Like I used like the 20 by 12 pillows. I used those in the living room. What else me get? The light on the porch stopped working, so I had to buy a new one. Oh, and some of the lights in the garden, the spotlight thingamajig for the garden, some of those stopped working, so I bought a couple more of those. Why am I trying to tell you everything? Let me just show you. So we got 2 boxes. Oh, yeah, drop. We got 2 boxes here. So we're gonna go through them right now. All right, so we have 2 boxes. This is the first one. Jesus is heavy. It's a very big box. Let me try to show you. This is it. That's why I open. No one on that out there. That's why. Oh, Keneisha says she don't have no money. She's still at shop and she in the shop this year because she break. This is it. I'm still broke. I mean, not really shop. They're not shop. These are like necessities. These are not. I'm not shop. It's not shopping. I don't know when Keneisha shop. It's not shopping. I don't really tape up the box there. Guys, I believe somebody came on. Still start using it yet. I wanted to use it this week. Yeah. Alright. So the first two we have in the box. I have some spray paint. I have 2 of these. So 2 of these. Two of these and 2 bronze copper looking and 1 black. So the plan is these I'm gonna use because I don't know if you remember the water sprinkler thingy that I bought for the garden. It burned out, so I'm gonna spray paint it to get by the color. So I bought 2 of these, and then the vase that I have out there. If you guys been with me like from 2020. You guys remember when I actually did the first porch decoration thing that I did, the first DIY. I had a vase there that I actually sprayed paint and fix up. So now I sprayed it into gray. Now I'm gonna spray it in black. Yeah, to match the aesthetics. So let's hope I can find another one of this. I think that's what I'm buying. I think so. Alright, let's see what's in this now. These are, I think about 2 sets of this. So about 1 set of this and another set on different nights. These I want to put on the walkway. Okay, so hope is, fingers crossed, I get to do the walkway this year. Remember we spoke about it last year and I said I wanted to get that done. So I want to see if I can do that. And these, the one that I have out there, some are broken, some are just dim. So let me show you what's in here. But it basically looks like this. Stick. So I have that. I have to put on my salt on my hand, guys. It's not cheap, it's heavy. Stare at this one. Solar. Light. Solar. Just up there, so. Like so. Now the button like so. You have to remove the lifting and stuff. And you push it in, that's it. And this is a pack of, how much come on this? 6 pieces. So 6 of these. Ooh. See? Can you see it? It's bright. I like that. I like that. It's bright. This is bright. Yeah, I like it. This is a good thing. It wasn't expensive at all. I don't remember the money for it. I think it was $22.
Well, can I say hi, please?
Banana, see y'all.
I'm saying hi.
This is what is again? Oh, this is supposed to be a paper shredder. Okay, the one that we have broke. It broke. So, and this is a bigger one than what we had. So this is Amazon stuff. Come with a little like an instruction book. It's heavy. It's like the same size like the one I had. It looks like the same size. Amazon Basics. Heavy, you see? It's like the same size I have. Not bigger. But man, it's heavy. Ooh, I had 2 of these. We gave one away. I don't know the other one for like over 2 years now. And it just broke. So you say you can do up to 8 sheets, 20-pound paper that it can actually do. It's a credit card can be used and stuff. So this is it. Heavy man. This is it. I'm not trying to put this box up. No, can't happen. My back will kill me. So let's go into the other box. You see over there, sir? Every time I clean up that couch, Savannah come down here and go lie down, fall asleep, unless it's up the same way. So no mind the throw blankets. Other box is like just like this smaller than the other one, but taller. So the first thing we have are the other garden lights, similar to what I bought the last time. But this is a pack of 12. The other one that I got, if you watched that video when I was doing the garden, was actually a pack of 10. But this is a pack of 12. And these are actually black. Remember the last one, they come brownish looking? These are actually black. So that's nice. I love that. It really never lasts long at all. It's not even a year since we did it. And most of them stop work. So this is the top. So it's a little bit different. And of course, just putting it like this. We all know how these solar lights work. So this is it. I still have some of the ones that I bought before. But because the intention is to actually finish the whole garden like I showed you last time. We did the front part. We had to do the back and stuff. So the ones I bought were supposed to actually do for both areas, the front and the back of the house. And I think I had to use like a couple out of the other pack of 10. So I think I have maybe like 8 or 7 in the original pack, and the fact that I have to replace these ones that are not working. So that's why I actually bought some extra ones. There's not a lot of stuff. And then these are the pillows that I spoke to you guys about, that I told you I had bought them before. You obviously saw them, and I ended up using them inside the living room. So 2 of the 12 by 20 pillows, the inserts, and then this is the light. So I literally bought one the other day, same exact thing. So this is like motion activated and also dusk to dawn. So you leave it on, obviously. It turn off by itself when the sunlight comes up, turn on in the nighttime, and it also motion sense, so it will keep off in the night until it sends motion, and that's when it turns on. So it's kind of energy saving. Yeah, a little bit energy saving. And all that wrapping, we still have postage stuff here. Like you can see the box. Let me see if actually anything breaking here, so guys, I would not be a happy camper right now. No, take it out and go break. Yeah, I've waited electrician because I electrician have to put this up. So I'm going to see if I can message him and ask if he can actually come by tomorrow. Come do it. That would be good. And I'm not going to wait for the wall thing to do this. I just want it to be done right. And that is it. See, it's not a lot of stuff. That is it. That is it. I want to see if you're going to fix the computer. So wait, that means I really want to miss my mind. That's all. I want to miss my mind. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. I'm a little bit tired. I'm a little bit frustrated. I'm trying very hard not to get mad about the school because I know I can't upload a video that was supposed to be uploaded from Sunday to that Monday night. It's now 20 minutes to 7 and I still can't upload the video. Anywho, guys, tomorrow we're going to go to the nail salon. We and all of the children then. So I'll see you tomorrow.
The next day.
So everybody,
Guys,
okay.
Yeah, it's a mess. It needs to clean up.
Already?
Guys, the next day my daughter chose to give me breakfast. Look at this setup. It's like a restaurant.
Come on, look.
Like this is so nice. Right? This is my breakfast. What do we have on the menu, ma'am?
Pancakes or noodles.
We got noodle. Is it pancake or noodles?
Noodles.
Noodles. And what type of noodles?
Cherry and strawberry and orange. What did I search for this one? Orange and
What did you say again? Orange. I don't remember.
I couldn't taste it. Orange pineapple.
Okay. So orange pineapple noodles along with cherry strawberry.
And salt.
And then we have bacon.
Sausage and soda. When you're done with the food, when you want pepper in your side of your food,
Oh, we
you
got
have it
pepper.
salt,
Oh.
or ketchup, or mustard, or water. Cause this
Oh, I
is
got
your
water
drink.
too. That's healthy. Okay.
And this is when you're eating and something stuck in your tooth, you can see with this.
Okay. All right. So cover up my food again.
Huh?
Cover up my food. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Thank you, honey bunny.
Let me show them what I made.
What did you make?
A bag.
Explain what you made.
So, I woke up one morning and I said, I never played with Legos in a little bit. Let me go in the playroom. And then I see my Lego Mario. I haven't played with this in a little bit. Let me get that. And then
You want to stoop down so we can explain?
Yeah, I'm just building and this is what it turned out to be. So, like, I was just gonna originally put it like this, but I figured out that this blue part could just go in like
The
this.
pillow just on the pillow and the sheet.
And it could just go in like that perfectly. And then, yeah, so, like, I was just building and then, like, creativeness.
Creativeness. That's what you are. Very creative. Great job, Papa.
My mama,
Great
I
job.
would look really hard.
The sheet drop off.
Oh, I got it.
Mario Cole.
He said,
Alright guys, we just wake up, but we don't eat breakfast, so yeah. Guys, I have a mess right
"Mommy, your
now.
butt's are bigger than the chair."
Listen, man.
Guys, so when mommy done with food, I'm gonna show you when she done with food. I'm gonna show you more
I feel
noodles.
Mommy, I feel like
And
this
I'm
should be
gonna show you
lasagna.
this drink too.
Look here.
It should be lasagna.
Delicioso.
Mama, I baked it in that pot.
You did.
And you can have more when you want.
Tawani, that's
This is
lasagna.
so good. You want to taste it? Stop eating full of my food. I want to try this bacon.
No, when you're done. When you're done.
I want to
This
eat
is
the
not
bacon.
noodles, it's lasagna.
Let me pick me out. Are you cooking?
Mama.
Tell me more. Eat off.
No, when you're done with this, then you can eat.
Can I drink some water?
Sure. Because that's what you want to. That's for you.
Where are you putting in the water here?
That's water.
It tastes so nice. You want to taste it?
That's a
It's
little
so
bit
good.
of salt and a little bit of water, and then I shake it up, and that's what it's like.
Salt water, you're not dead. Come give me. Tell me, okay, my stomach is stuffed and I feel for the bacon.
Okay.
Can I get it?
Yes.
You're not getting on my food. So back up.
That's make mommy. That's take.
Crunchy bad.
Make sure I have some.
No, I'm not eating.
Yeah. Take some of it.
Put some ketchup.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some ketchup on it.
Tawani.
Want some salt?
Tawani, steal it from me, steal it from me.
No, give me the fish.
Tawani, steal it from me,
What?
steal it.
You want the salt?
Too much salt not good for me. Make me get bored. Me
I
dead.
didn't even put salt on it. Mama, I didn't even put salt on this.
Let's fuse up on it.
Just take it. One more.
Oh, that was so good. Hey, eat up a bacon and give me.
I saw it in the garbage.
Thank you so much, baby.
Well,
That
that's
was
sweet.
delicious.
Want one more? Want to make some sauce? Sauce?
Alright, guys, we don't eat. Barbie doing push-up, people.
154.
Oh Lord, Barbie's strong
Let
bad.
me tell you something. I'm dropping down to 20 right now.
1,
Right?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But you get to 120.
I said I was doing 20.
Good
Mama,
job, baby.
I can show you the kitchen.
Okay, let's go into the messy place right now. You don't need to clean up this. It's a mess.
This is the kitchen. So this is the pot, the
That you
noodles,
cooked. Okay.
and this is the steak when you want it.
Oh.
Mama never eat no steak.
No, it's not ready yet. It's dinner. Go on.
And this is
What is that?
this is thing for the hamburger.
Oh, the burger meat.
No, Mama, it's the burger.
And this is apple juice.
Okay, you need to put that in the fridge before it gets spoiled. You can't put it on the stove top.
So, Mama,
Mm.
I got something inside here. Can you move this? Because I didn't cook it yet.
Tawani, Mama, I love how Tawani used to be in love with this doll, but it looks like it just got out the forest. Like it just,
Which dog?
like our clothes rip off, like.
Yeah,
she
so
gets
Tavana,
scratched.
stay Tavana, get used to one thing.
Like,
That's
Mama,
right.
like, look at her, Mama. She looked like she gets scratched by something and scratch out.
Tavana, kill the baby. That's what you do. Kill the baby.
Kill off thing.
The block, baby.
Alright, Maud, go
And
clean up
here's
the
the
place
fruit.
now. Ooh, she got. Oh, she baking.
Ooh.
Ooh.
How extra big?
Big egg. You never eat big egg before.
Is that-
No, what's big?
This
Big
is
egg is
it.
that.
You have to try this. This is so good.
Mm,
Those are macaroons.
that's nice.
I'll take it. This is so good. Take the blue
Make us
donut.
take so much things. So we're not. Stop touch up the food,
She
man.
just told me to
Sure.
This is so. No, stop.
Thank you.
That's so good because I put red frosting and I put inside it. So good. It's going to taste like strawberries and blueberries.
Nice. Thank you, baby.
But you know what?
My stuff, Tavani. You don't me I try to cut off weight. You don't want me lose. You don't want me gain too much weight right now. She's not me kicking it.
what?
Mama,
Yes.
show them the drinks.
I'll go on again.
Hello guys, so I'm going to show you the drinks. So it's over here into the messy kitchen.
In the messy kitchen, I like you said that.
Here's soda.
Okay.
Here's red soda.
Why you not put
Apple
them in the
juice.
fridge?
Apple juice.
Hmm?
And I forgot to show you carrots.
Nice.
And here's the milk.
Let me get some milk.
No.
You know I love milk. What?
No.
All right.
Fine. Take it.
All right. Bye. The segment of the playroom is now over. As you saw, I was trying to put up the camera. I was trying to put up the stand that I bought, but it's not sticking. So I'm gonna have to return this because this is not working out. So therefore, I have the camera on it, but it's like it's not staying. So I guess that makes sense because it was just so cheap. Anywho, I'll try it again. If not, I have to get another one. So as usual, I'm running late. It's not good. I said I was gonna improve. It's not good. I literally have 1 minute to reach this nail appointment. That is 10 minutes away. I'm going, all right? And I will let you know when I reach, okay? Because right now I'm gonna step podcast, okay? Yeah. All right, guys, I'm finishing my nails. I cut them shorter. I try to take off this thing because I definitely need to go get. See, it's not sticking. It was like $6, so I'm gonna see if we can get the suction cup because the one that I have for my phone is a suction cup one. So like that's nice and just suck on and stuff. It doesn't move one bit. This is not working out at all. So I still can't use that camera. I wanted to use the camera for the first time today, but that's not working out. So yeah, guys. I have this jacket from the very first time I came here. My in-laws actually purchased it for me when I was just coming to the States. I had this hidden for like, not hidden, no, it was in my closet for a long time. So I was looking for a jacket where most of my jackets have like gray and silver on it for some reason. And I'm like, I'm not wearing anything gray. I want something gold, you know, to match with my gold accessories, obviously. I remember nothing but this, and then I found it. Guys, when I remember something, outside cold. Wait, hold on. Where did we outside? Also, like it get warm, you know. This made me feel hot, like me I suffocate, man. This was winter something. Like this is awesome. Or I didn't remember that it was so warm. Anyways, I'm hungry. As I said before, I just finished my nails. I'm gonna go over by DQ. I need a salad over there. Guys, regarding remember the you watch my last video, you'll see where guys this odd. Let me check this out. If you watch my last video, you'll see where I was talking about being on a fruit and vegetable diet only. I jump over the diet, there's too much time, to be honest. I pick it up back this week. I don't really drop off a shit, but like I didn't have a lot of stuff in the house. And that's what I was telling you guys. If you don't have a lot of stuff in the house, it's kinda hard to make do, you know? She's anything on a chicken sandwich, no BLT salad.
Welcome there. Someone can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a BLT chicken salad, please?
The grilled chicken salad?
Yeah, grilled chicken salad, yes.
Would you like, what dressing would you like?
Wait, hold on. You guys have it crispy, right? You have the crispy chicken for the salad?
Yeah, we have the crispy chicken salad.
Yeah, do the crispy one.
Alright, and what dressing do you want?
Give me blue cheese.
We don't have blue cheese. We can do Italian ranch or homemade.
Do the ranch.
We have the original chicken sandwich with mayonnaise, lettuce and tomato, and then we have the spicy chicken sandwich that has white sauce.
Alright, let me have the regular one, please.
Just the sandwich?
Give me the meal. For the drink, give me lemonade.
Alright, and did you still want the salad?
I do.
Alright, and did you want dressing for it or no?
For the salad, yeah, give me ranch.
Alright, anything else?
Give me a kid's meal, the chicken strips.
With fries?
Yes, please.
What drink would you like?
Give me, do you have like Sprite?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me have that.
Alright.
And that's it.
And do you want any sauce for the chicken?
Yeah, let me have, no, you know what, just do regular ketchup.
Just ketchup?
Yeah,
Alright, anything else for you?
that's it.
27.13.
Thank you so much. What if I have no money? If I have no money? I order a drink. I drink cranberry juice and go home. I'm here talking to myself now. Remember, I didn't order any drink, but I'll do cranberry juice when I get home. Guys, let me check out this. Check it.
Hello.
Hi.
2713. Want to try some drinks?
Huh? Yes, please. Thank you.
We'll be right up.
All right, cool. I'm hungry. So as I was telling you, the diet. It's okay if you actually have the fruits and the vegetable at home, but if you don't have it, it make you lead astray. So that's what happened. I ran out, and I did not go to the supermarket. My husband just went on Friday. So, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. Just pull up bracelet and check it. Alright, so this is the sandwich for Tavon for TJ Tristan. This is for Tavon, you know. Alright, and that looks good. Okay, so we're good to go. We are good to go. Troy's home today, but even if I'm not on food. So these are just for me and the children them. Oh guys, I finally posted the video that I was supposed to post from Sunday. Troy did something and finally got computer back up. He had to change. I mean, after I finally grabbed that, it was still not, it went back to like original where it's shut back down. But we managed to get the file, so I could actually use my old computer to upload it to YouTube. So that's finally up and running. He had to change, it's the board that was the problem, the motherboard. So he changed it, and then he had to go get another one because I guess the one that he put in there was the one that was supposed to be faster, but instead it looked like it was damaged. So yeah, because I realized that every time I upload it to iMovie and go back in there like before I edit it, and I go back in there like it vanished, and I was wondering what the hell is happening, and I have to be re-uploading every second. So luckily we were able to grab that before it crashed again, because he had to wipe everything, you know. So I got that, and it finally uploaded. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. It's finally up and running, guys. May I tell us that all these things are giving me a fight, but listen, I'm here for one. You said to my chicken fries, you know. I'm not getting no fries. Oh yeah. DQ fries, man. Let's say it's the bombdiggity.com. Hungry bag. Wait, let me just pour up and go on. I reached at the nail appointment 60 minutes late. Because for me, I said about 10 minutes away. It's not. It's roughly like 20 minutes away, and I took 60 minutes to reach there. I cut down 4. When I told us to on the 65 miles per hour highway, I had 100 and not proud of it. But they didn't even call me. Like, them used to me getting late, which is not good. They didn't normally then call it, say, hey,
Are you guys still coming? Because I'm seeing that you're late.
no, them not call me. I'm going as a good morning, good afternoon, whatever, and start off from my color. Let's just start doing my nails. I'm like, sorry for being late. She's like, okay. Yeah. I think I'm a G still. I think I'm a G. Yeah. So, I'm heading home now, guys. And I'm gonna go home. I don't know if I'm gonna pick up at the camera today. But if I don't, you know what? Let me see what happened for the rest of the day. I'm not gonna tell us I'm not gonna pick his back up. But right now, because I can't use my camera, which the intention was, I want to go play some music and vibe and go home. Because if I really continue talking, I'm gonna go crazy because I want my food to eat because I'm really hungry. I only had like an apple and a cup of tea this morning. And I am starving. Okay? I'm starving. So I'll see you in the next clip. So guys, I forgot to tell you that when I was leaving the house to go to the nail salon, the electrician actually came and he started working on putting up the brand new light. I was so excited. So this is my husband actually just keeping his company. I guess he was bored. But when I got home, the light was done. I'm so happy. Alright, good morning guys. It's 2 days later. I just came by Target to do pickup. Just two things. A pickup pad and first I'm gonna use this. I know I'm gonna use the liquid. I didn't know this was so small. It should be a packet 25. They didn't have the liquid. I choose to use this for right now. I have to stop by CVS. I thought about it. I'm going by the gas station right now to get some gas. If I thought about it, I would have actually bought CVS, but I don't really want to come out of the car. But I definitely need gas. And I need to go home quickly and get some stuff done because Tiffany has another doctor's appointment today. It means I have to go pick her up at school around 12 o'clock because her appointment is actually at 1:45. And it's all the way down in Farmington. Troy's gonna be leaving work early because he doesn't miss any of the kids' appointments. He's gonna leave work early so he can actually come. But I need to go home, get something to eat, straighten up a little bit, and I want to wash the other. Yesterday I actually finally washed one of the bathrooms. That's so gross. That's from one man, so I need to wash the bathroom now. Finally washed one yesterday and I need to wash the other one today. That's the aim. If I do nothing else, I need to do that today. And I have a lot of time today, so I want to make sure that I kind of go home and do all of that as soon as possible, so I can start get ready. Because I know it's gonna take forever for ready. I'm always late, and I can't wait for this appointment. So I want to start getting ready around 11 o'clock, so I can reach at the school by 12 o'clock. Just too much. Yesterday I didn't pick up the camera because I didn't do anything basically more than just straighten up and wash the bathroom. And I cooked some curry chicken and white rice with some steamed vegetable. And to be honest, I am so craving for that right now. So I go home and eat a little bowl of it. Not even a plate, I have just a little bowl and drink some of a pumpkin chai. Like that would be for breakfast. And guys, when I tell you that I keep on having, I don't know what's going on, but the video that you're supposed to be seeing this Sunday coming, yeah, today's Thursday, so Sunday coming, that video that you're supposed to be seeing, I tried to download or to render off that video and it was giving me a hard time. Jesus Christ, I can't even turn it. The camera mash up. Lord. Mash up bad. So yeah. The video I was trying to render it off to see if I can actually upload it and just keep on saying failed. I couldn't do it. So yesterday I had to delete it. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on. But I'm pushing through. It said that it was done successfully, so I'm gonna go home and just double check to make sure that we don't have no problems and go from there. So right now we're heading to the gas station because my baby needs some gas. Almost at E, like quarter tank right now. And we don't do that. We need to keep this baby full. So we're going to the gas station.
I got that big boy sitting outside. All I need to know is she my nigga. On the first date,
I won't ever leave you. Believe me. I won't fall in love like I used to. I don't do the things I used to no more. I changed for you.
Alright guys, so I am heading home. Me, I go eat my curry chicken and rice. Alright guys, I've been back many hours later. I actually need to go start getting ready. I'm gonna pause this. I was watching this series, The Warrior. Let me pause that for a second. So I have 3 packages here, all from different places. This one is from Amazon. This is actually MacBook sleeve case thing. Because the other day I told you on Monday we went to this appointment all the way down to New Haven. I'll talk to you guys about that at a different time. But I wanted to do some work, and that's when I realized that my MacBook needed work. But I had purchased this early in the morning because I just wanted to like drop it in my bag instead of bringing the whole laptop bag. So it's pink, of course. It's from my MacBook Pro, and then it comes with a little case. I can actually, when I bought this, the intention was actually like to drop. Ooh, so nice. The intention was like to drop my hard drive and stuff in this, but I actually have a case for that already. But still, like any extra stuff, I would guess like the charger. Ooh, in here is so nice. So nice. So I guess you can just drop any little thing in there. So this is it. And it comes with a little pouch. And drop the pouch inside there. So it's just looking nice. Very compact. And then this now is from Shein. I've been eyeing this jacket like forever, and when I went online the other day I realized it was on sale literally for like $6, and it came from $20-something or $30-something. So like the only single thing I bought from Shein, and I didn't even have it in my size. I wanted like a large for jacket, but they only had the medium. It's like a what do you call them jackets here again? Oh god, I'll make it look so small. I'm gonna have to just wear this with a crop. It's medium. I normally buy large for these things just to have a look at the room, but it's not so bad. It's not so bad. What? And this is thick. It's not so bad at all. Yeah, I like it, guys. I had to jump on it immediately. But I'm never wait for the large. So this I got for like $6 or something. It's like a crop top too. So I've been eyeing this for so long. The material is soft and nice. Gonna have the thingy inside. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Like what? This is so nice. Okay, so pink. And then I think my face is clearing up a little bit, but I ran out of my product that I normally use like forever. Hence the reason why I started experimenting with all these different things that burn up my face and all these something. So I just feel like my face wasn't clearing up fast enough at the time, because normally I use Gen Care products, and Gen Care is the original Jamaican brand. But they have an outlet in Florida, in Miramar, Florida. So I normally order my stuff and they ship it over. But the shipping is like so expensive every time. So like, I'll show you. So like for a face wash and 2 of the cream cost me $61 with $10 shipping. So the cleansing mousse, $15, and 1 of the cream at $18. I'm gonna buy 2, that's $36. So in all, for these 3 little items, literally 1, 2 tube, and let's go get ready now. 12 o'clock. I go grab a kid and buy one. I need to go bed and get ready. And this face mousse, $61 with $10 shipping. So like, that's another reason I hadn't, well, lie. One of the main reasons I didn't buy it because I called them way from last year and left a message and it didn't call me back to make the order. And then it was just cheaper to get stuff here. $61. But they work. I've been using this from Jamaica. I started using this since I got up here in 2015. But these are normally, so this is Gencare 1330. They have different numbers depending on your face type and the complexion and just basically what you want. And then the face mousse. So this is like a mousse type thing. So it's foaming cleanser with anti-aging benefits that cleanses the skin and protects the skin. These are the only things I think work for me. I have very sensitive skin. And with all the stuff that I bought the other day, even some new stuff from that brand I started using, I got their acne set for sensitive skin and it starts stripping my face completely. And I go to work and my face is like completely dry and just scaling off. And I had to stop using them. So like it just keep on going back and forth. So I'm like, let me pull back for the evil that I know. So that's why I bought these. And that's basically it. All the other stuff that I purchased are not here yet. The other thing I bought a couple stuff for the house. Because you know, say not a lot of things. Spring is coming and I needed some lighter shade curtains, some sheer curtains for the house, and just some different. I'm gonna make everything all brown for the, you know, I have a black gold and brown type theme going on in the house. So right now it's majority of it is black, and because of Christmas, you know, I went black for Christmas. And even though I took on the Christmas decor, majority of it's still like instant black. So I want to just bring back some brown for the spring and just light up the house a bit. There's nothing drastic gonna change. It's just like gonna be like the curtains, the cushions, the throw blankets, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the whole house. So nothing extra. I don't think when I'm doing those that I'm gonna actually be showing you guys, unless you want to. If you want to see, drop a comment on the comment section if you guys want to see that. But it's not gonna be anything different than just clean up the house and just changing out the curtains. So I am going to go get ready now. I haven't even taken out what I need to wear yet. Because me just, to be honest, I'm gonna really not do anything yet. It's nothing I can come watch the bathroom. That never happened. I come eat a curry chicken and rice and drink some pumpkin chai. No milk or anything, just like a little bit of sugar. And I've been here watching Warrior, this series on Netflix. And I don't know, I just feel tired and it's my time to, so like I'm just but I like this jacket. This jacket is so cute. Alright, anyway guys, I'll see you in the next clip. Alright guys, so just came back from the appointment and I just feel so exhausted and just so out of it. So I'm eating a little cheesecake, February 1 cheesecake thingy majig. I'm going to chill back and I'm going to watch a movie, and that's it. That's a wrap for today. So please go ahead and like the video if you haven't already liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Comment and share. I'm going to go again. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video. Drop a comment and share. Until later guys. Bye bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.